Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we are on the rumor day of Windows 12 requiring 16 gigabytes of RAM, how about this other rumor that some are starting to think is going to happen? There's a growing number of experts that are looking into Microsoft. And Microsoft, of course, at the Windows level, has now a new team that is deciding on the future and what Windows will be all about. And we're starting to see some changes. The first one was let's stop the craziness of these moments, and which are regular updates several times a year, and just do one big update a year. Now, the second interesting thing that is rumored is that there would be no Windows 12 for now. It's not that Windows 12 will not exist at some point. A lot are thinking that the next big Windows update, that Hudson Valley that we're calling, would actually come in the form of Windows 11 24H2. So that would mean that the next update we'll have later this year would be a major Windows 11 update that would include a lot of AI, and that would also have features specific for new AI-powered laptops and desktops that have a neural processing unit. So this is the craziness of all the rumors, of all the things we don't know and mostly we don't know about this year. There could not, there's a possibility there's not going to be a Windows 12. And one of the main reasons for this is that many are thinking that with Windows 11 plus Windows 10 still good until the end of next year, and it will have 3 years extension and security, it makes too many operating systems to take care of if they add a new layer, which would be Windows 12. So that is the new possibility, and this rumor actually started slowly within 2023. We were hearing at the end of 2023 several of the Windows kind of tech experts and journalists thinking, well, doesn't make sense. Windows 12 might not be something next year after all. And this is growing, actually, and we are having more and more people getting into the bandwagon that Windows 12 might not be a thing. And if it would be a thing, it will not be a thing this year for sure. At least it could be pushed also into next year. That's another possibility that I've been thinking of, actually, is that how about we're going to do big updates and do, Windows 11 AI and have it, better, and include some features that were possibly what we thought were Windows 12 features in Windows 11. And maybe next year, Windows 12, when Windows 10 is getting to the end. So that would change. That would be another game changer here, meaning that we would just surf on Windows 11, gaining market share month after month, as Windows 10 will slowly decline month after month. And this is definitely going to be an interesting year in what happens. And for this to unlock, basically, we'll have to see the first laptops and the first devices coming out from major manufacturers, in May or June or July of this year. The other hint that Windows 12 couldn't possibly not be a thing is the video that I posted where Windows 10, I talked about how Windows 10 might get its beta channel back. Because right now, Windows 10 insiders have only released preview, which is testing official features coming out later in the month. The beta channel would actually be new features being tested for Windows 10 itself, as Windows 10 has not had any other channels in the insider rings now for quite a while. If you start playing around with Windows 10, adding new features, then it means you're dividing a lot of your teams into different projects. It would make sense that Windows 12 might not be a thing, at least for this year. So what do you guys think? Windows 12 is a thing? Are we going to just have a huge update for Windows 11 at the end of the year that will contain a lot of AI and new features? What's it all about? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.